being the end of summer, I decided what better time than to talk about cold. Because you see, at the start of 2021, Spain was hit by a pretty big snowstorm. And I hear you asking, how big? Well, here are some satellite pictures. Yeah, it was kinda big. In my city, this hadn't been seen for decades, and in places such as the windmills of La Mancha, they were covered completely in snow. So many people decided to help out by cleaning the streets or even creating their own emergency system to help out ambulances. Now schools had to be closed, so we needed to go back to online classes. But once that was over, and for the first time in ever, to be honest, I could finally lie down, looking upwards, with the clothes keeping me away from the cold of the snow, and it's kind of a relaxing experience. Snow Wars. One of the first things that came into my mind when it started snowing, it was to make a snow war. Now, I went around the house seeing if somebody could help me out with the bunkers, but everybody was busy, so I was like, alright, time to get to work. This looks like a nice place. Alright, I think I'm done. So I went back to my house, and I was looking proudly down to my bunker, planning where to put the next bunker. Yeah, maybe I could put it down there. It's a nice distance. Yeah, it looks nice. I now see that my bunker had been completely destroyed by two 6-year-old kids.
Why are we still here?
Moving around became a very big issue, since the snow got to your hips. I lived near the Wanda Metropolitana at that time, and so taking a walk around the park near it was very normal. Now, a walk to that park usually took around 45 minutes, but with Filomena, it took you about 5 hours. Yeah, it took a really long time. And sledging became really popular at that time. And you could use anything you wanted, really, from your regular sledge to even payeras. And then, after a couple of days, the snow started melting, the streets were cleaned, and everything came back to normal.